door is busted. And outside, this is 5 minutes after.
Damage over there. All the bags.
Look at it.
This car got smashed in the window.
Oh, wow. All right. Why did the car got busted?
Something hit it. I don't know. Shopping cart
Oh, wow.
dragged it back in.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, tornado. What did it hit? Do you know?
I guess it was a shopping cart.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
It hit me. I was running.
Glass all in the seats.
Wow.
Over there. Next thing it sounded like a shotgun going off.
That was scary.
You should have kept that in your fucking.
Oh, wow.
Gabby, I'll pay for that.
That's crazy. Yo.
Well, insurance claim, isn't it? Wow. I was too?
That car got hit.
I was too?
And so did hers.
Shit. Oh, no.
But that's nothing. I'm glad the rubber wheels are there.
Well, this is my car. Oh, no. Ah. Oh, shoot. Tornado. In just 5 minutes.
I know that was weird.
Yeah.
It's at my house right now. I was told to stay around that, but
Oh, wow. This is my first tornado I
Same here,
ever been
same
close.